In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up tracking categories in Xero, a powerful tool for organizing your business's financial data. Let's dive right in and get started on enhancing your accounting processes. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the accounting section in the Xero menu. This is your gateway to all things related to managing your company's finances. Once you're there, go ahead and select the Advanced option. This section provides access to more detailed accounting settings and features, giving you greater control over how you categorize and report your financial information. Next, locate and click on Tracking Categories. Tracking categories in Xero are incredibly useful for gaining insights into different segments of your business. They allow you to track income and expenses for specific subparts of your business, like regions or departments, in a more granular way. If you find yourself using this page often, consider favoriting it for easy access in the future. This small step can save you time, especially if you're navigating these settings frequently. Now that we're in the right spot, let's move on to adding your first tracking category. Click on the Add Tracking Category button. This will open a dialog box where you can provide a name for your category. It's important to choose a name that accurately reflects the segment you wish to track, such as region or department. Once you've decided on a name that suits your needs, enter it into the designated field. Then, click Save to store your new tracking category. This sets up the framework for how you'll categorize and track your data. With the category ready, it's time to add tracking options, which is a crucial step in fine-tuning how you'll analyze your financial data. After saving your category, you'll be prompted to enter options that fall under this category. For example, if you named your category Region, you might add options like North, South, East, and West. These options allow you to assign specific data points to distinct segments of your business, giving you more detailed insights into each area's performance. Feel free to add as many options as necessary, keeping in mind that you can have up to 100 options per category. This flexibility ensures that all relevant segments of your business are accounted for and tracked accurately. Once you've entered all desired options, click the Save button to finalize them. The additions are now fully integrated and ready to use in your financial reporting, helping you make better informed business decisions. And there you have it. By setting up these tracking categories, you're well on your way to gaining deeper insights into your business's financial performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this